welcome back to PokeClashBros, where today we'll be opening some more Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion and seeing who wins today's pack battle. Sorry. Oh, sorry.
These packs are a bit thin,
Oh, so there's the full card for you guys. So it started off with a Fairy Energy, Miltank, Swellios, Gastrodon, or two of them. Two for the price of one. Hey. Pumpkaboo, Execute, Weedle, Shellos, Bunnelby, a Reverse Hollow Alola Marowak, and a Miss Magius. Can't really say that properly. So there's the code card.
It's going to be a Grass Energy. Oh, metal. It's always metal. How do you pronounce it?
Salgo.
A Salgo. Kakuna. Miltank. Swinub. Mankey. Aaron. Corfish. Ghastly.
A Reverse Hollow Oranguru.
Guru. And
And a holographic Xerneas.
That is a nice Pokemon. Where's the bottom? Is he from? X and Y, is he?
Yeah. It's a nice Pokemon. But it's Sun and Moon, this one is, but nice pull for the day, a nice hollow Xerneas. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check out our other videos out in the top left and the top right, and also on our channel. Thanks guys for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, it'd be great support to us and greatly appreciated in the bottom right corner. And make sure to leave a comment on what you like about Pokemon, or what your favourite card is, or your favourite pack. So yeah guys, thanks for watching and see you next time.